Good morning, guys. My name is Brett Hartzler here with Dutchmen RV. I'm the Kodiak sales rep here for Funtown RV, and today we're here in beautiful Cleburne, Texas, at their campground facility here. In their campground facility, this is where customers, who bought an RV, they can come and test out their RV, see how to set it up, hook it up, and go through everything top to bottom. So it's an awesome thing they offer here at Funtown RV for new customers and everything like that. Today we wanted to show you guys and highlight and feature our brand new Kodiak Ultra-Lite. It's our 296 BHSL model. It is a 29-foot coach in your box, hitched to bumper, you're 33-foot overall, and you're weighing in at 6,000 pounds. So it's an awesome floor plan, really innovative and different. So I wanted to start out here on the front of our Kodiak 296 BHSL Ultralight and highlight some really awesome features that you'll see on our product line and different things like that. Starting out here on the front side of our Kodiak 296 BHSL, we do utilize a standard power tongue jack. We will have a standard power tongue jack along with 4 corners power stabilizer jacks as well, and not having the scissor jacks. Also, behind in our A-frame here, behind your 20-pound LP tanks, we actually do a power box here. So behind our A-frame here, our power box cleans up that spaghetti mess of wires that you may typically see, but it also acts as a battery disconnect. So you got your battery disconnect there and really cleans up that A-frame there with all of your wires and different things like that. Moving from our A-frame up here to the front of our coach, we do a standard fiberglass front cap. Really gives you that high-end look, better quality, will greatly help with wind resistance while traveling and towing your travel trailer and things like that. And of course, within our fiberglass front cap, we still incorporate LED lights here as well. All floor plans that we build, you get the biggest baggage doors and also the same size baggage doors on either side of your coach. So look at the amount of width and depth you get in our passenger storage compartments. Everything is fully unobstructed. And again, you get that same size baggage door on your off door side. So right underneath here in our bed bases, we utilize aluminum framing, which is super nice. So again, really just trying to cut down on weight and give you more of that stronger bed base as well with our aluminum framing. With one thing we do on our Kodiak product, whether it's our Kodiak Cub, SE, Ultralight, Ultimate, we do a fully heated and enclosed underbelly. So of course your coach is fully enclosed underneath, but we run a forced air into our underbelly, so it's a lot more effective in those cooler temps versus other guys that may do a radiant heat. So that's one thing I definitely wanted to highlight on our Kodiak product line for you guys. On our door side, of course, we do include our awesome flip down steps here by MoreRide. So those will just flip up and lock right into place so they're not in the way. Of course, the door here will close flushly within when you're heading to the campsite and different things like that. Notice our door is also a friction hinge where, maybe other guys will do a free swinging or gas strut. Here you can actually maximize the full width of your doorway and also have your steps here as well. Nice, ease, and convenience features is what we try to incorporate for our customer. So above me here, we have our nice, huge power awning. Again, this is a 29-foot coach in your box. So when you're looking at this awning, you're roughly probably about a 24-foot, 23-foot awning. You get a ton of space here on the exterior here. Again, along with that there, we do incorporate our LED light strip in our awning as well, just to have a little bit more well-lit exterior. If you're out here watching your TV, you do have your TV hookups here on the outside with your cable, your recep, and also bringing your TV to the outside as well if you guys want to be able to watch the race or watch the football game, different things like that for you guys underneath this huge awning we offer on our Kodiak Ultralight product. Here towards the backside of our Kodiak 296 BHSL Ultralight, I did want to highlight our outside kitchen setup and features and things like that. We actually incorporate a griddle top grill. So this here is our S channel or C channel where the griddle top will go on top. Of course, there with our griddle top, it acts as more of that black stone top and everything like that, to where it's a little bit more flexible to cook your burgers, bacon, eggs, different things like that, whether it's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Of course, with that there, you do have your LP quick connect line running underneath there. So it's an easy quick connect up here to your griddle top so you can start cooking outside. Refrigerator to have your different beverages and things like that as well. If you guys do need a water source or an outside spray port, we do actually put our outside spray port right here on the back side of our coach to still utilize that as part of your outside kitchen. And that there is super nice because then you can wash off those bigger pots and pans, different things like that, versus having a fixed sink in your outside kitchen. So a little bit better flexibility with having our outside spray port for that water source on our outside kitchen. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to see the exterior of our coach. Again, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe it on Funtown RV's YouTube page. And here we're going to go inside and check out some awesome interior features on this innovative floor plan for our Kodiak Ultra-Lite 296. Welcome guys to the inside of our Kodiak 296 BHSL Ultra-Lite. This is a super unique and innovative floor plan only brought to you by Kodiak. Again, this is a 29-foot trailer within your box, and you're only weighing in at 6,000 pounds, which is super light for our 296 Kodiak Ultra-Lite BHSL. Over here, I wanted to highlight some features on our very unique convertible U-shaped dinette. Again, this is something you'll only find in a Kodiak Ultra-Lite product. And again, it gives our customer the flexibility to have both configurations. We actually can remove all these cushions, and then we can remove this table here as well, which is super nice. Sometimes the post will come out with it, which that's quite all right. And then we can remove this rear seat here. And again, just depending on how you guys want it set up and everything like that. So here we're focusing and showing our convertible U-shaped dinette. Again, in the last part there, it was set up as a U-shape, and here we're gonna show how simple and easy it is to move it over to a booth dinette. Here we'll just take our center post there, put one right there. We'll take our other post and we'll set it up right there. And then we will take our table here, and then we can set it up right as a booth, which is super nice. So again, the customer can have both configurations versus just having one fixed configuration that you may see on our competitors. So just like that, you guys go from a U-shaped dinette to a booth. You definitely get a lot more table room here on both ends of your seats and different things like that. But again, this is something that is super unique only in Kodiak Ultra-Lite that you guys can find, switching from a U-shape to a booth for you guys. So one last feature I wanted to show you guys on our U-shaped dinettes and our dinettes that we offer in Ultra-Lite and Ultimate by Kodiak is that underneath here, you know, typically you see other guys that may use a cabinet door, different things like that, and you have to get on your hands and knees and find what's really in there. And we want to make it super easy for our customer to access whatever they have stored underneath our dinettes. And so we actually do full extension drawer guides underneath our dinette seats, which is super nice. Makes it a lot easier to access your storage, things like that. But again, our drawers actually go the full width of our dinette seats, which is super nice. So you're maximizing that. It's actually also on a drawer guide, so it flows in and out of there super nice versus just drawers that may not be on a drawer guide or anything like that. So again, super nice feature on our Kodiak Ultra-Lite product that we offer for our customer. So again, over here in our Kodiak Ultra-Lite product, we wanted to highlight our slide out box and what we offer for our customer. Again, this here will have a jackknife couch, but it also incorporates footrest to kick your feet up a little bit after those long days being at the lake, different things like that. But again, it also acts as a jackknife couch, and you still have storage underneath there for pillows, blankets, and different things like that as well. Again, in our slide out box is something standard that we do. We are completely carpetless, so again, more of that residential feel, easier to clean, and different things like that. Again, moving up to our windows within our slide out box, we actually do tinted glass windows all the way around. But again, notice how our windows, they're all functional. They all open, which is super nice to get that good cross ventilation. But again, as I was shown there, we do a night roller shade versus our competitors that may use a pleated shade. So one hand down, one hand up, super nice and easy for our customers to operate. So right across from our seating area, again, we do the direct view of our entertainment center, which is super nice. Really nice size entertainment center there to put up a big TV. It does have an awesome little backlit light there you can turn on and off with a light switch. Standard fireplace down here underneath. Again, that's putting out about 6,000 BTUs of heat on those cooler nights if you don't want to utilize your furnace or anything like that. But again, always trying to maximize the storage space on our Kodiak product lines. Here again, tons of room back here behind your entertainment center, tons of shelving to store more stuff. You actually have room back here, some space as well to store like a Swiffer or a broom and different things like that, a dustpan where sometimes you don't always have that room. So really nice, cool feature on our Kodiak 296 product. Super rare to find in the industry. And again, very innovative to maximize that dead space for our customers. Some of the key features I wanted to highlight for you guys is that our countertops that we put in our coaches, not just in our kitchen area or our countertop area, but also our dinette, our bathroom, above your fireplace, different places like that. We actually use an all seamless thermofoil countertop just to provide a better high quality countertop, better longevity, better look, different things like that, versus guys that may use that T-mold countertop. Along with that there as well, we do a stainless steel farm style sink. Again, we do that single bowl sink to wash those bigger pots and pans versus a 60-40 split sink. But again, with our residential farm style sinks here, definitely provide a better quality sink. It's not going to discolor or crack like a plastic sink, and again, just provides more of that high quality residential sink that you'll find in our Kodiak product. With that there as well, again, always talking about quality, we are doing our hardwood cabinet doors and drawers standard. Again, do the touch and feel process, you'll have that higher quality, better looking cabinet door and drawer for our customers. Here it's just an easy plug and play, super nice, ease and convenience. But again, then obviously if you don't want to utilize it, you can put it back down and still maximize that countertop space as well for you. Again, this floor plan only weighs in at 6,000 pounds, and it's a super unique and innovative floor plan only brought to you guys by Kodiak. And one thing I really wanted to highlight today was our bunk room setup. So with our bunk room setup here, typically you're getting the open double over double bunk concept. If you guys want that floor plan that has the double over double bunks, we actually put it back here in a really nice bunk room. So your bunk room is still closed off by a 36-inch wide pocket door, and the kids can have their space and still have their bunk room back there. Still getting some good storage space. You know, typically those other floor plans, they're not going to have wardrobe space or hanging storage space for the kids. So you can have that. You have cubby holes down here for more storage as well. So again, we're always trying to maximize storage space. So you still get tons of storage underneath that bottom bunk. Like I said, you get your cubby holes there for the kids, you get your wardrobe space, and again, everything is closed off by a 36-inch wide pocket door in our bunk room. Super unique floor plan, again, weighing in at 6,000 pounds for our customers. So coming over here into the bathroom and bedroom setup of our Kodiak 296 BHSL Ultra-Lite, again, we're sporting our 36-inch wide pocket doors. Super nice, versus having a 28-inch pocket door. So you get a lot more room, a lot more movement. Within our bathroom, you still get a lot of good linen closet storage and different things like that for towels and toiletries and things like that. But we also still offer a medicine cabinet where, you know, in other product lines, you may just see a mirror put on the back side of the wall with no medicine cabinet. Here you can still put your toothpaste, toothbrush, and really maximize that storage space with our medicine cabinet that really features a nice LED backlit mirror as well, which is super nice. So just something a little bit different. Along with that there, like I said, we still do a seamless countertop or a thermofoil seamless countertop even in our bathrooms. So we're still trying to maximize that high quality, better looking countertop within our product line. Moving over here to our shower setup area. So we incorporate a 30 by 36 inch shower. Really gives you a lot more space and movement versus a corner shower. But with our shower doors, we actually still include a glass shower door versus having like a shower curtain or something like that. So again, giving you more of that residential shower door. So in the bedroom here of our Kodiak 296 BHSL Ultra-Lite, some of the things I wanted to highlight, you're still getting full wardrobes, full depth wardrobes on either side of your bed. So you still get a lot of good depth in there for hanging clothes, different things like that. You're getting overhead cabinet storage versus maybe just having a shelving unit up top. And again, still utilizing our hardwood cabinet doors and drawers, which is awesome. Along with that there, we're still doing our standard 60 by 80 queen beds. So again, it's not a camper queen, not a 60 by 74. You can bring your sheets from home and still have that full length and full comfort, which is awesome. Behind our wardrobes here, we actually move our wardrobes out a little bit so we can incorporate two different shelves back there. And again, right behind there, we incorporate having your USB receps and plug-in receps and different things like that if you have to charge your phone or your CPAP and different things like that. So those are some really cool features, even on our 296 in our bedroom setup here, with having the shelving space and still maximizing the depth or the height, I guess, of your wardrobes. Thank you guys so much for taking the time and giving me the opportunity to show you off our Kodiak 296 BHSL Ultralight by Dutchmen RV. Again, this is a great family coach with a bunk room, only weighing in at 6,000 pounds, lightest product line in the industry. If you do like this video, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe it on their YouTube page. And again, check out their YouTube page as well for more video content. Again, thank you guys so much for this time today. And again, only the fun starts here at Funtown RV.